The best way to grow your business is to let your results speak for you. With the Social Suite inside TRMCRM, you'll have everything that you need to build trust, show proof, and start real conversations to engage with your audience. You'll get customizable, drag and drop branded forms and surveys to make collecting client data and feedback simple. Whether it's a testimonial, a post-season review, or a team performance check-in, your feedback and onboarding flows are clean, smart, and easy to launch. We'll even train you on how to use them inside the TRMCRM University. Did we mention that we have a help desk complete with step-by-step videos and screenshots on exactly how TRMCRM works? All plans include 25 editable templates designed for tax professionals. Just customize, schedule, and post. Want to take it further? You can run paid ads through Facebook or Google. Additional meta charges apply, but the tools are there and ready to deploy. Even still, I don't just give you the tools, I give you the strategy. You'll get access to 100 Days of Taxes, the Fast Launch Challenge, plus a 365-day content prompt calendar with tax deadlines, engagement ideas across YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. It's your social playbook ready to go. And if you want to automate your content with AI or streamline replies, that's available too. Just note that AI tools may incur additional charges depending on your usage, so we make sure to include prompts and tips on how to train your AI team. With Tax Revenue Manager, Social Proof includes posts and content, but we also outline strategy and positioning. We show you up and ready, branded, and in control right away.